We are moving away from the core issue of the debate. If there are just 6 MLAs out of 403 who have an income less than 5 lakhs as declared, only perhaps they need a car.
Core issue.
But the rest, why do they need one when they already have one? Why the allowance in the first place when they actually don't need one?
And also, Anand, what was a real bizarre argument? And let me get Dr. Rahmani first, and then we'll come across to Sharad Pradhan, because he's known to be really witty with these ones. Dr. Rahmani, the argument that Anand is making is that what were these MLAs doing till now?
Exactly.
This is not the issue that what they were doing till now. From now
I will tell you why. Azam Khan says that this is only a facility for poor MLAs.
This is the actual issue. And let me clarify that we are not going to give all
Dr. Rahmani, a poor MLA according to the logic by Azam Khan. Let me just read out what Azam Khan said.
I know poor MLAs. I can name more than 6 MLAs in Uttar Pradesh.
Dr. Rahmani,
are you trying to say that they have concealed facts? Are you trying to say that more than 6 MLAs, if they are there, they have actually concealed facts? Or what they have reported is untrue? Because the numbers say there are only 6 of them with income of less than 5 lakhs.
It's not necessary that if somebody is having 5 lakh rupees, if somebody is having 5 lakh rupees, he can afford a car or not.
Mr. Sharad Pradhan, is this a blunder? Is this Akhilesh Yadav's first blunder as Chief Minister? Akhilesh Yadav's first blunder as Chief Minister. Mr. Pradhan, would you agree that this is Akhilesh Yadav's first blunder as Chief Minister?
This is not the first. This is not the first blunder. As I said earlier, he has committed earlier blunders. He has proved that he is not going for any strong action on the issues related to law and order. He is only ready for appeasement, which is very, very disappointing, because one had a lot of hopes from Akhilesh, and doing this has proved that he is giving them a license. As it is, we know most of the MLAs are busy squandering away these MP ladder MLAs.
Exactly.
And in various ways, commissions, kickbacks, and now you are giving them a license to loot.
Just 3 days
and
back.
who doesn't know? Every MLA, you see, come to Lucknow.
Shesh Narayan Singh wants to come in.
MLA is roaming around in huge SUVs.
Dr. Rahmani, please wait for your turn. We'll come across to you.
No.
Mr. Shesh Narayan Singh, yes.
Let me complete.
My request is, Sanket, that this Chief Minister, well, he might withdraw it tomorrow, whatever he is going to do, but as far as I am concerned, he should order in the same paper that, hey, we are going to inquire how many cars does all these MLAs have, and how many plots do these MLAs have through corrupt means.
Because let's go across to Chandramohan Prasad.
Also, he should have ordered that
because Mr. Prasad, the problem is that we play those visuals full screen.
They should have ordered that also. And then, please, no. Let me complete, sir.
Okay.
Let me complete. Then this can be a huge step towards transparency. All the political class people, all of them are living on dole. They are living in rishwat. They are living in corruption.
At a time,
so
Mr.
please
Chandramohan,
try fixing. No, it's not laughing matter.
Please. At a time, Mr. Chandramohan Prasad, what is your
then
viewpoint?
ask them the questions.
Mr. Chandramohan Prasad, what is your viewpoint at a time when the Samajwadi Party is trying to fight an image battle? A perception battle. Let's go full screen to those visuals of Samajwadi Party flags, cars, big SUVs, and they were seen on the roads of Lucknow and Noida and all the other cities of Uttar Pradesh the moment. There you have it on your screen. These are big swanky cars the MLAs already have.
And not just that, some of the Samajwadi Party MLAs and MPs, they actually have more than 20 cars. If they could dole out 5 or 10 of them, some of the MLAs, you won't need to board.
How many cars does the Samajwadi Party need? How many cars? And also 20 lakh rupee cars?
Point.
Is that what the people of UP want?
Cars? That is from Rishwat.
No, we will not get into that, but if there are spare, why not give it out to some of the MLAs who don't have them? And save this money.
Can I say something?
Yes, Mr. Pradhan. Yes, Mr. Prasad, sorry.
See,
yes,
Well, the important
Akhilesh Yadav consider him
also being given a license to own these cars at a depreciated value. The depreciation after 5 years will be just nothing.
We'll come to that depreciation part, Mr. Pradhan. Just a minute. Let me just go across to Mr. Chandrapal Prasad. Yes, Mr. Prasad.
Yeah. See, Akhilesh Yadav is a victim of a phenomena where India is returning back to its feudal tendencies of making people dependent. So Akhilesh Yadav is a victim. Let us not attack him or question him.
But Mr. Prasad,
we have to debate this issue afresh. That why Indian political system is telling its people that you can't eat unless we give you food. You can't drive a cycle unless we give you a cycle. You can't own a computer unless we give a computer.
Mr. Siddharthnath Singh,
tendency
is the Bahujan Samaj Party saying that the Samajwadi Party is doing exactly what they did, although the methodology is a little different?
No, Bahujan Samaj Party made mistakes, and so are Samajwadi Party.
Make a point, and the basic point is you must understand that MLAs of Uttar Pradesh, they do get if they want to go and buy a car, they get a rebate on interest. They get diesel and petrol allowance. They not only get an allowance if in the assembly if they attend, but also if they are attending to the constituency. Absolutely. And they get a package which is a kind of a remuneration or a salary. Now all this is available, and then the Samajwadi Party coming up and giving an Akhilesh Yadav coming up and giving this
Dr. Rahmani, do you see the drift of this conversation?
Too, but the key thing is, if Dr. you really, there could be, I may just go be a devil's advocate and say, yes, they, the MLAs do need car to move around in their constituency.
No, but 20 lakh cars?
But there are other ways. Why do you want to do? And
but why can't they ask for removal of this fund, yaar? Let the fund go.
For development. Now, from here, tomorrow somebody will say that I don't have a hall to meet my people in the constituency, so the MLA fund needs to be used for creating a hall in my constituency.
Okay, getting your point, but Dr. Rahmani,
they need to be given tea and lunch.
Mr.
MLA fund will be given for that. You need an air conditioning, so the generator is not a...
For all you know, all of this already happens.
There is going to be an unending list. So,
Siddharthnath Singh and Sharad Pradhan would agree, all of this already happens in Uttar Pradesh.
Definitely, this is a bad precedent,
and this demand an order that all these cars should be inquired into the source of funds.
Okay. Let's now go across to Dr. Rahmani. Dr. Rahmani, we have a bit of interesting facts at this moment.
Also answer where did you get 10 plots?
Dr. Rahmani, we have a bit of interesting facts at this particular moment. What all could the UP government have done, which is actually fighting, Samajwadi Party actually fighting a perception battle. A government that is fighting a perception battle, matters have just gotten worse. For 80 crore rupees, this government could have had 2,000 primary healthcare centers, could be built for 40 lakhs each. For 80 crore rupees, you could have had 20 Kendriya Vidyalayas, which could be built for 4 crores each. For 80 crores, you could have had 1,600 low-cost houses, which could be built for 5 lakh rupees each. Priorities misplaced, Dr. Rahmani.
And they will last longer than cars after depreciation of 5 years.
Very practical. For 80 crore rupees, we can do wonders. There is no doubt about that. But let me say, our intentions are very clear. We want to check corruption at the outset. We don't want to let the people produce any excuse.
You want to check on corruption like this?
That's why we said that our Chief Minister already said that all the cabinet...
Sharad Pradhan is smiling from year to year.
Not accept any gift. Even
Dr. Rahmani, Sharad Pradhan is amused.
1,000 rupees. It has been a very clear directive. We don't want to make those corrupt practices which has been done with this MLA fund already. We want to stop that. We don't want to give any excuse to the MLAs of the
Mr. Prasad,
assembly.
coming to you after we get Mr. Pradhan in. Just please wait. Let's just Mr. Pradhan get in a word and then we'll come to you. Okay. Yes, Mr. Pradhan.
Okay.
Well, all I want to say is this is a dirty joke with the poor people of Uttar Pradesh. Rahmani said it's a shame. The people, who doesn't know the kind of lifestyle the MLAs have? It is not. They are going to have a check on the number of vehicles owned by them. It should be their families. the vehicles will be, half the vehicles will be Benami owned. You know, you can see them, the mushrooming vehicles with these
Let's do it now.
Parties, particularly the ruling party, whoever is the ruling party.
Yeah, we should do it now.
You know,
Well, we see the journalists getting worked up.
All
Gentlemen,
the political parties.
I've got a question coming your way after we let Mr. Pradhan speak. I've got a question coming your way, especially Mr. Pradhan and Mr. Seshnarayan Singh, after we get Mr. Prasad's thoughts in. Yes, Mr. Prasad.
Yeah, see, Akhilesh Yadav comes to Delhi and he stands as at a political traffic signal कि भगवान के नाम पर दे दो, उत्तर प्रदेश में लोग भूखे मर रहे हैं, दे दो भगवान के नाम पर दे दो. And he goes back to UP and says, buy cars worth 20 lakh rupees, every MLA. What is this joke? This is an absolute form of political madness.
Well, at least he didn't spend 6,000. He's not spent 4,000 crore building parks across the state after borrowing money from the centre.
And 122 crores just to guard those parks.
That was a mistake. Yes, that was a mistake.
Right. Now the question that I'm going to ask the journalists and the activists in the midst, the other part of the debate, is it a political masterstroke? Did Akhilesh Yadav know that not too many MLAs will actually avail of this facility? There are only 6 or a handful of MLAs who actually need car. But because it's part of my manifesto, let me announce it and win brownie points. Is it a political masterstroke which is going to work in his favor after all this entire thing? Mr. Pradhan and Seshnarayan Singh, have you thought about this?
Well, I don't see
Can I speak first?
It is a political move, all right. My information goes, Akhilesh Yadav was, a number of his party MLAs said that you have given all kinds of largesse to different people. But what about the MLAs? Vidhayakon ko bhi kuch milna chahiye. So this is how it was generated. This is what they thought, okay, let's give a car to a... At the end of...
All right, I think we are losing the signal with Sharad Pradhan. Seshnarayan Singh, is it a case of Akhilesh Yadav being wrongly advised? Is it something that has gone horribly wrong? Because here is a government that was trying to fight a perception battle. This is the worst way to do that.
Well, maybe something, let's wait for the next move. There are two possibilities, that he'll get scared of this media blitzkrieg and he'll withdraw it, and then maybe tomorrow he orders that let's inquire all the cars that the politicians from Uttar Pradesh have bought
because
in the
Mr.
last 10
Seshnarayan
years,
Singh and perhaps Dr. Rahmani would know a little. Mr. Seshnarayan Singh, perhaps Dr. Rahmani would know. There are feelers coming in from the Samajwadi Party, the senior leadership of the Samajwadi Party, which is not happy with what has happened today, because if the Samajwadi Party was trying to fight a perception battle, it is already lost in today's date. Perhaps Akhilesh Yadav shot the gun.
Absolutely, that's exactly the question. Is it an error in judgment? Is it going to backfire, or is it a political masterstroke? At the moment, it looks like the former and not the latter. We'll have to see how it all pans up. Nawab Kazim Ali Khan, Dr. Taslim Ahmed Rahmani, Chandrabhan Prasad, Sharad Pradhan, Siddharth Nath Singh and Seshnarayan Singh. Thank you so much for joining us this evening on The Debate here on the News Hour.